There are two approaches to collecting and analyzing data: qualitative research and quantitative research. Quantitative data are measures of values or counts and are expressed as numbers. Think questions like how many, how much, and how often. Qualitative data is measured by words or types. It's important to identify whether the data in your research paper is quantitative or qualitative, as this affects the statistics that can be produced. Descriptive statistics describe a sample. You first take a group that you're interested in, record data about the group members, and then use summary statistics and graphs to present the group properties. With descriptive statistics, there is no uncertainty because you're describing only the people or items that you actually measure. You're not trying to infer properties about a larger population. Inferential statistics are produced through complex mathematical calculations that allow researchers to infer trends about a larger population based on a study of a sample taken from it. For example, you might stand in a mall and ask a sample of 50 people if they like shopping at Nordstrom. You could make a bar chart of yes or no answers, or you could use your research to reason that around 40 to 50% of the population like shopping at Nordstrom. Remember that descriptive statistics provide context for the results, but they are not research in themselves. Descriptive statistics are usually not able to answer research questions. Inferential statistics are almost always required.